subject is zoology. I am Mansoor Ahmed. Our topic is Golgi complex, but structure of Golgi complex. It's our topic today. We have already discussed the introduction, the location, the amount, and the position of the Golgi complex. But today we are going to discuss the structure of the Golgi complex. Dear students, the structure of the Golgi complex is composed of four main components, that is cisternia, tubulus, vesiculus, and vacuolus. These are the four components which are composed by Golgi complex, or in other words, we can say that Golgi complex is composed of these four elements. Dear students, the Golgi apparatus we call, or it is called a Golgi body, or it is called a Golgi complex. It is one of the same. It is a membrane-bound organelle. What do you mean by membrane bound organelle? That means it is a membrane bound organelle found in the eukaryotic cells. If found in the eukaryotic cells means cells with clearly defined nucleus. One thing that I would like to clear you that the Golgi complex, which is also called a Golgi body, or in other words, which is also called a Golgi apparatus, it is one of the same. It is a membrane bound organelle found in the eukaryotic cells. And what are the eukaryotic cells? Eukaryotic cells means cells, cells with clearly defined nucleus. Now it is clear to you. That is made up of a series of flattened, stacked pouches called cisternae. Now what is cisternae? The first component, which is cisternae, it is nothing but it is a series of flattened, stacked pouches. It is a series of stacked pouches called cisternae, and it is located in the cytoplasm next to the endoplasmic reticulum and near the new cell nucleus. Now it is clear to you. The structure of the Golgi complex is now composed of four main components, that is the cisternae, tubulus, vesiculus, and the vacuolus. Now the Golgi apparatus, which is also called the Golgi body, or it is also called the Golgi apparatus, it is a membrane-bound organelle found in the eukaryotic cell. That eukaryotic cells means cells with clearly defined nucleus, and these are made up of a series of flattened stacked pouches. These flattened stacked pouches are called cisternae, and this cisternae, it is completely located in the cytoplasm and next to the endoplasmic reticulum and near to the nucleus. Now it is clear to you the first component, which is cisternae. It is a series of flattened stacked pouches which is called the cisternae, and it is located near to in the next to the cytoplasm, next to the endoplasmic reticulum, and near the cell nucleus. Now the second part. The Golgi comparates of both plant and animal cells are characterized by an extensive system. Now the second point is this Golgi apparatus in both plant and animal cells, both plant as well as in animal cells, are characterized by an extensive system of approximately 30 nanometers diameter peripheral tubules. Now they are extremely extensively system of approximately 30 nanometers diameter. These peripheral are called tubules. Now the third component, the vesicles that leave the rough endoplasmic reticulum are transported to the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus, where they fuse with the Golgi membrane and empty their contents into the lumen, which contain proteins destined for extracellular release. Now the vesicles are leaves the endoplasmic reticulum, and they is transported the cis phase of the Golgi apparatus, where they are fused with the Golgi membrane and empty the cisternae with the lumen, which contain proteins destined, completely destined for extracellular release. This is the third component of this Golgi apparatus. Now the plant vacuoles. Now the vacuoles are filled organelles. They are filled organelles bound by a single membrane called a tonoplast. They are filled organelles which are bound by a single membrane. These are called tonoplast and contain a wide range of inorganic ions and molecules. They can also transfer directly from the endoplasmic reticulum to a protein vacuole, the protein storage vacuole. These are the components of the four components of the Golgi complex or Golgi structure or the Golgi apparatus. And I'm sure that it is clear to you. Inshallah, after few days we will meet physically, and then it will be so easy and so interested when we come inshallah come face to face, you and I. Then inshallah everything will be clear to you. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.